Hi everyone, welcome back to Goldfries. Now this video is a bit different because I'm introducing a local brand case which is BMS, and over here there are front panels, and I'll tell you in a short while why. Now the BMS case, I was sent 4 BMS case. However, for this video I'll just have to review only one. Why? Simply because all 4 of them are using the same frame, so we'll just go through that later. Now there is a difference though. There's the Blaze, there's the Frost, there's the Extreme, and there's the Bamboo. Over here, this one is the Frost, which is one with a mesh front, and the Blaze model is the one with glass front. Right, let me put this down gently. So the difference is the panel, and being of a glass front, it will affect the temperature a bit because it's going to suffocate the fan. So yeah, the Blaze and the Frost, these are the ones sharing that the frame that has USB Type-C, and these are the models retailing at RM249. And further down the stack are the Bamboo and the Extreme. This is the Bamboo and this is the Extreme. These are perforated front, so there's no air intake issue. However, being at the lower price point of RM209, there is no USB Type-C port, and that's pretty much it. So my favorite among them are actually the Bamboo and Extreme, and over here this one, which is the Frost. As for those, if you somehow prefer to have this beautiful looking glass, even though it hampers the air intake a bit, what you can do is something that this case provides that I find interesting. So let's dive into the details of this case. Now the first thing I want to highlight to you is that at the front area over here, which is right over at this point, and I'll show you a closer look of it, there are mounting points for fans, which means you can put AIO. So if you intend to have the one with the glass front, you can consider actually to add fans at that part just for additional intake. And what's nice is that the rear panel, there's an opening, there's some opening that it does not cover the whole area at least, but it covers part of the area, and it has a dust filter. Good touch on that. Overall, the case is as what you expect from a micro ATX case. Sufficient space to put whatever things you want to put inside. Don't expect too much out of all this this kind of layout. After all, it's a micro ATX case. And as for the fans, you can see that it is RGB. It actually has ARGB headers, so you are able to synchronize your fan colors to the motherboard, with the motherboard software, or you can toggle the colors through the buttons up here, like right now toggling it to red and various colors. Right, let's see, a bit of pressing it around. Now it's green, and then basically there's a button at the top. You can toggle the color around if you are not intending to use RGB software. Now the only downside about these fans is that it does not use a usual DC or PWM connector. It uses proprietary connector. So all these fans are daisy chained, with one of the main fans that's at the front coming with a SATA power connector. So you need to connect your SATA power to that fan, and it will power the rest, including the RGB LED. Of course, you can connect the ARGB cable to synchronize with the motherboard software. And that's pretty much it. A reasonably affordable case by BMS. 4 of them, differing only in whether there's the USB Type-C port and of course the front. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in an upcoming videos, and do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And bye bye.